So Microsoft recently started rolling out Windows 11 24h2 update. However, if you have an unsupported hardware, then you will not get this update from the settings app. Also, if you try using ISO file to update to Windows 11 24h2, then you will get the error that this PC does not meet system requirement. So in this video, I will guide you with how you can install Windows 11 24h2 on old PC. So with this method, you can upgrade from Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro to Windows 11 24h2. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe this channel as we are close to reaching 1000 subs. So we need the ISO file to install Windows 11 24h2. So for this, open the browser on your system. Now search for Windows 11 ISO. Now click on this first link which says download Windows 11. Scroll down and now you will see this option to download Windows 11 ISO. Click on this drop down menu. Select Windows 11. Now click on download now. Now select product language. This should be same as your system's language. For example, I am using English US. Click on confirm. After this, click on 64-bit download. Now wait for the ISO file to download. Once the ISO file is downloaded, open the file explorer on your system. For this, press Windows plus E key on your keyboard. Now, on the left pane, click on downloads. After this, you will see the ISO file here. Double click it to mount it. So this is the mounted ISO file. Copy all the files. Now, go to drive C. Here, create a new folder. For this, click on new and then folder. Name it Windows 11. Press enter. Now, open the folder. After this, paste all the files you copied. After this, close the file explorer. Now, click on the start icon. Search CMD. Now click on run as administrator. Click yes. After this, execute these commands one by one. First type cd/ and press enter. Now type cd Windows 11. After this, type cd sources and press enter. Now here Windows 11 is the folder we created earlier. You can replace this name with the name of the folder you created. After this, type the command setup prep.exe space /product/server. Press enter. Now you will see this window which says install Windows Server. Click on this option which says change or setup downloads update. Select not right now and then click on next. Now you will see license terms. Click on accept. After this, select keep files, settings and apps. Click on next. Now this will start installation process and this might take around 30 to 40 minutes to complete. Now click on install and this will start installing Windows 11 24h2. Wait for the process to complete. Once the process is completed, this will install Windows 11 24h2 on your system. To check it, open Start menu, type about your PC and press enter. Now as you can see here, this says Windows 11 24h2. So this is how you can install Windows 11 24h2 on old PCs. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.